Pixel just got listed on the Binance platform after 10 days of launch pool on the same platform. And in today's video, I'll be talking about this coin, the potential, and the reason why you should have it in your portfolio. So all of these and many more about this very new listing. So definitely watch this very video till the very end. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video. Subscribe to the channel for more updates like this, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content, and technical analysis. Right here on the Binance platform, I talk about this very coin when it was undergoing the Binance launch pool on the Binance launch pool platform. And if you participate on the launch pool, all you need to do right now is to go to your spot wallet and then exchange this token, or you come to the spot exchange right at this place on Binance, and then you just go to this very area and use market order and trade your token for profit. That is, if you participated on the launch pool, that means you already have this token, and the token have done massively well, just like I said in that very video right here on the channel. If you look at this very video right here on the channel where I talk about Pixel, and this is very important, this coin, just as you can see right here, is going to do massively well. So one thing very important is that we need to understand the tokenomics of this very coin. If you come to coin market cap, you discover that the coin is already on coin market cap. If you look at the market cap of this coin right now is $378 million, okay, and it is the 155 coin on the coin market cap. And this is very important. This is the number of trading volume that you can see right now. Remember, the coin just get listed on Binance, which is very crucial in this very on-chain analysis. If you look at the circulating supply, this is just very small, 771 million, okay, in circulating supply. Okay, this is the coin or the amount of token that is circulation right now, and the total supply is just 5 billion. This is very small, guys, and I am very sure that this coin is going to do massively well in less than no time. Okay, so we have the diluted market cap right at this point. Now, we want to also know one thing very important, that this coin is an Ethereum chain project. You can also find more information about this coin by going to their website, or also check the white papers. Before you think about investing in this coin, one thing you must have to do is to check your financial capacity and consider your risks. Okay, this is not a financial advice anyway, but you have to consider your risks properly. But if you follow this, what I am looking at on the chart, and you want to invest, there is some problem about that. But if you did not get the token from the Binance launch pool, this is very important. I'm going to show you what to do. But before then, know that this coin is a gaming token, okay, and is going to do very well. And it also includes collectibles and NFTs. So this is very crucial because it's in the gaming space. I believe that this coin is going to do massive well. Not only that, if you look at the supply of this coin is just 5 billion, and we just have 771 million in circulation right now. And if you come back to the Binance platform, you see the coin just got listed. Let's say, for example, okay, you buy this coin at the pre-sale or during the launch pool, you get the token at this very price of 0.03. okay, so if you use $200, 0.03 divide by $200 divide by 0.03, so you have this quantity of this very token, because this is the very price that Binance was offering this coin at the launch pool. Okay, and then after listing, market pump up to this very area, even up to this very point. But right now, let's say you sell this token right at this very price of 0.47. so if you multiply the total number of tokens you have, or that you bought, with $200 by the price of the token right now, which is 0.47, so if you multiply this by 0.47, this is the amount you could have made from a $200 investment. This is so huge. Okay, so this is 3.1 3.1k dollars. 3.1k dollars is a huge investment, and if you look at the $200 compared to 3.1k dollars, it is actually very, very significant. Now let's say if you miss out on this opportunity, you did not know how to buy, or you did not get a coin from pre-sale or neither on launch pool. This is what you have to do to actually take advantage of the next move in this very market. Now, I personally don't encourage buying newly listed token. You wait, relax for the coin to pump. Then after the pump, let the people that get the token from pre-sale or launch pool do all the sell-off. Okay, they should panic sell, do all the sell-off. Newbie should enter the trade or enter buying the token, but relax your mind. The market is going to pull back. Okay, then after pullback, market is going to move upward. Now, one thing you need to do to know the end of a pullback is this very thing right here. Now, if you look at this very token, market move all the way from here upward, and then it moved right down, failure to create a new high, come back down, create a new low lower than this very period right here, and right now market is coming back to the downside. So what you need to take note of on the 1 hour chart, this is 5-minute chart right now, but during the formation of this very candle, market will begin to give us more candles on the 1 hour chart. So use this 1 hour chart right here to do this analysis. So once you see the market move down, okay, and then a little move upward and then come back down again, that will be the final move for this retracement. Market is going to move to the upside. So you are looking for a 2-step move to the downside. That means you have to wait for the market to make the first move on the 1 hour chart, and then a little move upward, come back down again to the very low. I am also going to be informing and updating you on what to do and the right time to take a position on this very pixel token. So if you miss out on this token on Launchpad, or you did not participate in any pre-sale, don't worry. After this very pullback coming to the market right now, I will tell you when to buy this token for massive profit to the upside. So just relax. Don't buy right now where the market is at this very point. It will be the wrong time to buy. Wait for the market to pull back after all the sell-off from people that get the token from pre-sale and launch pool. Then we're going to enter the market at discount price. Okay, so when that discount price comes in, I'm going to tell you when to buy, and then you buy for the market to move to the upside for massive profit. So don't miss this very video that I will do in the future on when to actually buy this token for massive profit. Don't forget to support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and educational content. So if you want to learn how to trade crypto profitably, please check the description of this video, see a contact, and enroll for the Crypto Bull Run Bootcamp. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.